Hi, I'm Seng. So I'm going to show you how to reset your FoodZaps admin password in the FoodZaps device and change your Aboss password. Thank you.
Okay, let's say for example, you have forgot your admin password and you want to log in. First, make sure that your tablet is connected to the internet. So make sure your Wi-Fi is connected to the internet instead of FoodZaps Wi-Fi. Then go to your laptop or your browser, log in to the Aboss, go to the control station, select to your outlets, go to the device profile and click request device to log. After that, you are able to change your menu, your stock, and your employee password. Then click on the employee. So from here, click on your own account, just click this button. Then from here, for the password, you can delete it and make your own new one. Then just click save and request device to update, which means that all of the settings you have been made will update to the device. Just click OK. Okay, after that, go to the FoodZaps and log in with using your new password. Furthermore, if you want to change your FoodZaps Aboss password, click here, just click log out and click on forgot your password. Click on the email address. Just click send. So check on your email. Then click on the first email, which is subject with no reply. Then click on the link to reset your password. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari asing.
Find Guinness Post, find Aseng.找post system,找Aseng.